if your laundry day is daunting and so chaotic like mine, I purchased this 5 pieces hanging laundry bags that are for socks or for whatever you want to put. They have hooks, so they come with hooks over here. And I just wanted something that I could organize things, especially the little items like the socks or certain underwear or things like that. And at the moment of washing everything, it can get so chaotic. So these ones I like because you can see through a little bit what you're putting in there. And then they are color coded. That way you kind of assign a color per family member or for items that you want to separate depending on the color. So it's 5 of them over here, and as you can see, they're very large. So you can fit a lot of things over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you have all the hooks with them. So the hooks are really for in case you need to hang them. And for instance, if you just want to put them to dry or something while you're doing laundry, or if you just want to hang it directly into the closet, you can literally just do that and then keep this in the closet and with all the missing socks or the ones that you can find a pair or things like that. So the possibilities are infinite. Or you can just come up with your own ways of organizing this, but I thought it was a clever idea, especially to keep the things more organized during laundry days.